怖いよ。
Oh no! Shun, what have you done to Dai?
2,000 years later.
せーの、占います。
12 seconds later.
誰の答えですか？なんか試すか？
Oh no, Shun! You need to comfort Dai as soon as possible.
1 eternity later.
めちめち。
I think they are now
はい。
okay.
お、かわいく。なんだ。
Dai and Shun cuteness overload. This time, we see a bit of a playful fight between the two, but even their arguments are adorable. It all starts when Shun has to leave Dai alone for a longer time than usual, and Dai is clearly heartbroken. He's sulking, pouting, and just radiating sadness. It's hard to watch, but also kind of hilarious because it's so obvious how much he loves Shun. But don't worry, this isn't a sad story. Shun knows exactly how to make things right. He comes back with a huge, delicious-looking spread of food, and you can see the instant change in Dai's mood. It's like a switch flipped. Shun clearly put a lot of effort into making things up to Dai, and it's so heartwarming to see. He's doing everything he can to apologize and make Dai happy again. And of course, Dai can't resist Shun's charm and the delicious food. He ends up forgiving Shun, and they're back to the usual adorable selves. It's a reminder that even the cutest couples have their little disagreements, but it's the way they work through them that truly matters. What did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reaction videos.